In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload to ShareFile. Now, the easiest way to do this is to first find the folder on your dashboard where you want to upload. So I'm going to go to my dashboard, click on Folders, and you can of course go to Shared or Personal folders. I'm going to use Personal over here. And if you have any folders already, you can simply double click on those or of course click on them to enter them. And then in here, you'll be able to add different things by clicking the plus button or of course the upload button over here. But if you are inside the main folder under personal folders, you can just go to the top right and then hover over the plus button, click on the upload button over here, and you can just drag and drop your files here or click on the browse files button, find the file you want. So for example, I'm just gonna click on a random file I have over here. Let's just do, I don't know, maybe like, I don't know, this one. I'm gonna click on it and then open, and there we go. As you can see, it's been added. Then hit the upload button at the bottom left, and that's it. It's going to upload it in here. Now you can do multiple at once as well. It's going to work too, and that's essentially how to upload to a ShareFile. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.